Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to get a service on my truck, and I found this online. So not going to mention the website because they made mistake for me. Okay, not very happy with it, but I think I like this better. Compared to the OEM, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a larger coolant transmission cooler, and I believe this is supposed to be put on the Ford Raptor, and they are exactly fit. According to their website, this doesn't fit, okay, but it does fit on this vehicle. When I ordered this and I typed my VIN number on it, and they say that it doesn't fit, right? But according to another website, it say it will fit your truck. So I ordered this one, and they sent me this right here, and I told them that I will not buying this one because this is $88 and this $135, and which is this what I have already, and I don't like it. And I would say I would take chance to order this one, and they're still sending me this right here. You know, if they're paying attention to me, you know, what I telling them to send me, then I will give you guys the website that you can order one for yourself. But you can get it online like eBay, but a little bit over $200. And on this website here is about $135 plus shipping, coming to like $160. Still cheaper than eBay. If I give you this, you should be able to find it. This is the part number for it. Okay. The 7A095B, which is for this right here. If you type A, not B, just A, and that will for this right here. Okay, so on the website we're having this right here, and a little bit more money, but I think this will be better because when I pull my pontoon last weeks ago, I got overheated. I'm not sure, it could be my car got too hot too, but according to my transmission gauges, it reading about 235 that time, like skyrocket, so overheated. So I pull over, let it set for like 20 minutes, then start and moving on again, because I climbing about almost 7,000 feet, so maybe pulling low, that's why. But some other truck like mine pull heavier than my pontoon, they don't overheat it, so I'm not sure. Maybe something wrong with my truck. I'm thinking. Okay, so I'm going to replace this, and I'm going to replace my transmission filter. Okay, I'm going to take this out like that, and then same thing over here. Going to move this one up. I probably have to cut this end because this end is longer. Okay, leave it up here, and on this right here, just pull this lever, and then just pull this thing out, and it will come off. And I'm gonna put this tray right here. Maybe have some. Nope, nothing. Not even a drip. Surprisingly, maybe on this side. Let's see. Does not have anything. So I'm not sure that. Maybe. Probably only when you start it, and that will flow from the transmission to here only. but it should catch some flow right here, even though it doesn't have any. It should drip from this side too, but it doesn't drip from any of this side. Not sure it's clogged up or what. Okay, I'm gonna break this. Let's see, I can break it or I have to cut it. Yep, just break it. It should be just pop this one up too. Okay, that's pretty flat. Okay, both sides have this right here. So got two, should be fit already. Let me check. I don't think it matters which side I put on it because the same fitting. Let's see. Yep, that is exactly fit. I think cut's better. Even though I do that, it's not going to be look good. I'm going to cut a little bit right here. So I'm going to cut like right here. Okay. And then insert that. Simple. Okay, now mine's a Raptor, no longer is just regular XLT. So pretty clean. Here's the OEM stuff. According to the website, this is OEM. That's what it's called. Alright, on this one's done. So